Okay, so he's made his loud noise and now we're walking, well, I am walking with you along the center of these because they're not nailed down, they're just on the pier and beam like you saw in the other part of the house. Okay, now the thing is in the hole and the handle.
Uh-huh.
Doesn't that look nice and clean and smart?
And on the other side.
Oh, it's like I'm going around.
See here.
All right.
Okay.
There's prongs.
Like that.
Oh, okay.
It has to go like this.
Yeah, logic tells you which way.
So just
Slowly fit it.
there. Don't touch
Is that
anything.
even?
And then these long screws, I believe.
You know, this door is not pretty. It will be, but it's going to be the same color as everything else.
I wonder what.
I haven't bought that yet because we haven't even drywalled it. Pardon?
You said I wonder which screw.
Well, you can figure that out.
I think this one.
And
Very long one. It's a bolt, actually.
oh, don't scratch the brushed surface.
Always do this when the client isn't looking.
On the client.
No, I need a screwdriver.
Okay, we're not going to subject them to looking for a screwdriver. A Phillips screwdriver.
In this case.
In this case. Phillips is one of those square little square.
No,
things.
it's the cross.
Yeah, like a little cross.
Yeah.
Hopefully you don't scratch it.
I
I know. Why are you? Did you see how he tightened the side? He moved this down so he had access to that. It's going back and forth. It used to be wobbly. I tried it.
Oh, look at that! Isn't that?
Well, let's see what happens
little
over here.
operation?
Did you? Oh, it's got no screws on that. You just screw on the one side.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Okay, so now let's give it that test
Okay.
over here.
All right, hang out. Making sure I don't put step number 1. Step number 2. Walk along the center of the planks as they're not attached. Sit in the chair because it's nice and balanced. We already tried that. See how far along the painting of the house has gotten. You coming out? Are we going to look at it? Come away so I can see it. Oh, be careful though.
Wow, that looks pretty good.
Yeah, I think that's much better. You going?
So you got down on the books and or you went down and those little orange flowers.
Come on. I forgot to make water.
You're gonna do over here.
Honey. Good idea.
He wipes the side of his head off on the ground. Right,